The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. For mankind's matrix, the woods represent a dark dichotomy to our minds. It represents the unknown, death, the gone, the lost, but also represents life, fertility, and plenty. Our simultaneous draw to and fear of the forest is a post sign of the sorts of living, breathing entities within. Ambivalent entities of grace, beauty, nature, which dart amongst the pines in peace until their curiosity takes hold. And what curious beings humans are. Jenna, you're on video.
Oh, I wasn't really ready.
Okay, well, what do you like doing here?
Nothing.
Yeah?
They have shitty Wi-Fi too. Oh.
Why are we here?
We're here because I was forced to.
Because we have to talk to our family?
Yeah, we have to hang out with our family, and I had no other choice.
Yeah, that's hard stuff.
Yeah.
Are you aware of the myths of this place?
I heard that people died in the forest.
Yeah.
It's probably not real, but I like to believe in those kinds of things. It makes me excited.
Yeah, it's exciting stuff. Alright. Livy, you're on camera now.
Okay, hi.
Do you believe in the myths that pervade this landscape?
Nah, I don't think they're real.
Okay. And are you excited for the camp out that we're going on tonight?
I mean, I guess, but I don't want to get bit by all those mosquitoes. I hate bugs.
The bugs are the only thing you're worried about?
Pretty much.
Okay.
No one died to see No, I still Casey.
Nolan, what are you excited for?
S'mores.
Yeah, s'mores are good. Alright. Alright, this is it. This is our campsite. This is where we'll be spending the night.
I know.
What do you guys think of it?
It's hell.
Is it?
It's hell. It's terrible. It's hot.
It's pretty hot here,
Like
isn't
I
it?
said, it adds excitement. The last time I was here, I thought I was bitten by a snake.
This is a guy's cabin, you have to leave.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Hey Case, where are you going?
Take a piss.
You're not gonna say anything to me? Alright, I'm gonna go film someone else. Bye, Cake. So it's about 2 hours into camping, and Casey's acting like a freak. And nobody really knows what to do about it.
Casey?
He's just been like sitting there and ignoring us, and
Do you know what's wrong with him?
Casey's a weird kid.
Yeah, but he won't even like say, no, I'm gonna keep on doing it.
Anyway,
Yeah, like maybe we want a different response.
whoa, that was
Is that it?
alright.
That's gonna
That was really weird.
Yeah, I had to get away from that place. It was too creepy.
I don't think this is a prank anymore. I think there's actually something wrong with them.
I didn't even want to come here.
I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a virus or a possession? I don't know.
I don't want to get possessed.
How do we prevent this from happening to us? I don't want to get possessed.
We don't. The point of living is to die anyways. So we just die. It's a part of fate.
We have to at least try to get out of here.
Think logically about this.
Well, logically, Casey's just an idiot, and this whole thing is simply just a joke.
Ever since Casey came back and Ethan looked at him, he's been acting so strange.
Maybe this craziness spreads through eye contact.
Maybe it's not craziness at all.
Maybe it's just stupidity.
It's just teenage hormones acting stupid.
Yeah.
Maybe.
This has to be supernatural.
Maybe the only solution to this is to keeping our eyes closed and not making eye contact with them.
Oh.
Would you rather be a puppet for the supernatural?
I guess it's better to be dead than that. So, in case you're right, we can close our eyes. I'm sick of this. I just want to go home, and I don't want to starve to death.
Kendall, no, don't go.
Let's get it.
I'm running. I gotta get out of this place.
What? Who's doing that with my eyes?
I'm doing it?
Not me.
Let's get it!
Everyone run!
Alright, you guys are on camera now.
Oh, we are.
Yeah.
Get
How was your time at Monticito been so far?
we'll carve something.
Delightful.
Yeah?
Absolutely delightful.
Great. What's your favorite activity here?
Eating.
Me too.
I think it's eating, yeah, I agree. But I love the whole scenery, you know, nature and the trees and the lake, and it's something we never see at home.
Yeah.
It's something we never see at home. It's something we never see at home. It's something we never see at home.
Yeah. Years have passed, and I've returned to the place my nightmares take me against my will. Casey, Nolan, Jenna, Kendall, Lyndon, Ethan. We searched and searched but never found them. In my darkest hours, I see them deep in the forest, fleshed suits or playthings of the entities within.
They are older than us, older than time. Their potency is beyond human cognizance. I walk into the woods now, because the mystery has become too much to bear. I will find these people, and I will find these creatures, or I will die trying. The woods are lovely, dark, and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep.